This video is sponsored by Restaurantware. In it, we are talking about takeout containers, specifically these Roku disposable sushi containers that come with lids. They are made of a nice weight black plastic. They come with these clear fitted lids that snap on easily, and they're available in 3 sizes, right? You have your short, which is 4 3/4 by 7.5 inches long. The long, which is 4 3/4 by 9 3/4 inch long, and the square, which is 7 1/4 by 7 1/4. So you have 3 sizes that'll give you a lot of options if you're doing takeout, specifically takeout sushi, or some of the appetizers and other sides that go with it. So the fitted lids and the nice little containers mean that you are preventing leaks and messes, which makes your takeout experience easy and pleasant for your guests. They're also grease resistant, and as you can see, they stack well, meaning that they have a very small footprint, so they're not going to take up a ton of space for you, which means they're going to be easy to store, easy to have on hand, and make packing up orders for takeout much easier and more efficient for you, making them a great option for sushi takeout.